So before this video gets started, I want to tell you guys about an awesome new way to start making money on TikTok Shop, okay? TikTok Shop is a new program where people can buy and sell products right in TikTok. So when people are scrolling all day, they can buy stuff, but you can also make money selling products. And as you can see right here, I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop. And if you want to learn exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page, I have a link below and you can join my program. You don't need to show your face, you don't need a following, and you don't need experience. And for a limited time right now, you can sign up and get a free trial and try it out. Join our group chat where we are discussing exactly how to set up your own TikTok Shop page so you can start earning thousands of dollars a month. This was me in the past month that I made over $4,000 on TikTok Shop. And on this one, in the past week, over $2,500. This is my TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is, in my opinion, the easiest way for anybody to start making money with no following, no experience. And the best part is it's completely drop shipping, so you don't need to deal with any inventory or shipping any product. Doing TikTok and YouTube absolutely changed my life and allowed me to buy my dream house here in Southern California that I'm sitting in right now. So if you want to learn how to set up your own TikTok Shop store and start making money, check out the link below. I would love to see you there. And remember, the first 100 people get a free trial, and that will be ending very, very soon. Okay guys, the next video topic we're discussing is why I stopped driving for Uber and for Lyft, okay? We're doing a story time here. So I used to drive, well, I started driving long time ago, many moons ago. And I used it as a way to supplement my income while I worked another job. And the main reason I signed up was to pay off my credit card. And after, I think 3 to 4 months, I paid one card off because I realized that I was spending so much money in maintenance and in gas and expenses. And it wasn't really tracking my expenses very well. And so after a few months, I kind of cut down my hours a lot, and I got a full-time job at Marriott. I used to work at the Marriott in the valet section. And so then I just started doing it part-time here and there, started just doing it for content for Rideshare Hub. And then as I got into doing YouTube, that's when I fully focused on making money online. And whoa, what the heck is that? Did you do that?
No.
What the heck was that? Someone's trolling me.
Does mine do that too?
Someone's trolling me. How did that happen? You saw that, right?
Yeah, the fireworks.
Are they excited for me because I quit my job?
I don't know how that
They were like, Uber and Lyft ended, so you fireworks for him?
Do you see the thumbs up that came up too?
No.
Oh, when you did this, like a thumb came up. I don't know.
How? I'm confused. So anyways, that was weird. So yeah, anyways, once I started doing YouTube, then I just focused on the content side of doing rideshare, and then I used Uber and Lyft as a means to an end, which basically the end goal was to grow on social media. So this is actually a really good story, guys, because I think it kind of shows you the value of doing like a side hustle like this. It's you can use it as a means to an end. Like, let's say you are trying to find a job, another job, or you're trying to get a promotion, or like, let's say you're making 50 grand a year at your job, but you're like, I want to be making 70. Like, spend your evenings doing Uber for 6 months until you until you find a better job or something. Or you're trying to pay it, like I said, like trying to pay a credit card off or whatever. I don't think Uber and Lyft is a good long-term job. What do you think, Izzy?
Yeah, I don't think so either, because the thing with Uber and Lyft or any of these apps is that like there's no room to progress in your career. Like you don't get a promotion, you don't really get like specific career experience
Yeah.
if you're doing that as your full-time job. So, I would say like, yeah, like you said, like maybe it's good to do if you're between jobs and you just need like you need to continue to make income.
Yeah.
Or you need like a little bit of extra money. I think this is a really good option for students because you can work whenever you're available.
That's true.
Your
Yeah.
schedule. When I was in college, I knew a lot of people that did like Postmates,
Yeah.
like between classes and stuff.
Exactly. So, not a great long-term career option, but I think it's like a great option in certain situations.